The US has imposed sanctions on Iran's central bank chief, three other individuals, and an Iraq-based bank. The US Treasury says the moves are aimed at combating global terrorism. Meanwhile, Iranian Foreign Minister Mohammad Javad Zarif has been in Brussels to try and save an international deal over its nuclear program. He called the talks constructive. Tehran says it's preparing to resume industrial-scale uranium enrichment if the economic benefits of the 2015 deal are not maintained. Jack Parrock is in Brussels and sent this update.
Mohammad Javad Zarif is pressing European partners to find a way to compensate Iran for the US pullout from the nuclear deal and to provide a guarantee that it will remain in place within a 60-day period. European partners, though, seem to want to stretch that to 90 days. The Iranian foreign minister says his visit to Brussels is the beginning of 2 weeks of negotiations with the so-called E3 countries within the European Union, which are Germany, France and the United Kingdom. US President Donald Trump announced last week that he's pulling out of the 2015 Iran nuclear deal and reimposing sanctions on Tehran. On top of that, and of major concern to the Europeans, he says companies that go into Iran after the deal will also be sanctioned if they don't wind down their operations. For firms like carmaker Renault, oil company Total and others, that's a big deal because while they've invested in Iran, they have strong interests in the US market as well. A number of European officials have suggested that oil exports from Iran into Europe should continue and that the US should not be allowed to police global trade. One of the complications for Europeans will be agreeing with the remaining signatories of the deal, Russia and China, about the kind of compensation they should provide Iran with due to the US exit. Keeping Iran within the deal means the remaining partners have to ensure businesses stay invested, and with the current uncertainty, investors could get jittery.